2025 Suzuki Ciaz is here, and it's making a strong case for itself in the competitive sedan market. Known for its practicality, affordability, and comfort, the Ciaz has always been a favorite among buyers looking for a well-rounded package. But what does the 2025 model bring to the table? Let's dive into its design, performance, tech features, and overall value. Starting with the exterior, the Ciaz carries forward its understated yet elegant design. The front fascia has been updated with a more dynamic grille and sharper LED headlamps, giving it a more modern and premium look. The side profile remains sleek with flowing lines that emphasize aerodynamics. The new alloy wheel design adds a sporty touch, and at the rear the LED tail lamps ensure the car looks just as good at night. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Ciaz comes with a refined 1.5-liter mild hybrid petrol engine, producing around 105 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. While it may not be the most powerful sedan in its class, the focus here is on efficiency and smoothness. Suzuki claims an impressive fuel economy figure of 21 km for the manual variant, making it an ideal choice for those conscious of running costs. Driving the Ciaz is a comfortable experience with its suspension tuned for a balance of comfort and handling. The steering is light, making city driving effortless, while highway stability remains solid. Noise insulation has also improved, ensuring a quieter cabin even at higher speeds. Speaking of the cabin, Suzuki has made several updates to enhance the interior experience. Step inside and you'll notice the premium materials used on the dashboard and door panels. The seats are well cushioned and provide excellent support for long drives. Rear seat comfort remains a highlight with generous legroom and a nearly flat floor, making it ideal for families or those who frequently have rear passengers. Tech features have also been upgraded for the 2025 model. The 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system now comes with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The instrument cluster gets a semi-digital layout with a crisp multi-information display. Other features include automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear-view camera, and keyless entry with push-button start. When it comes to safety, the Suzuki Ciaz doesn't cut corners. The 2025 model is equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat anchors as standard. Higher trims also get additional features like a reverse parking camera and electronic stability control, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. In terms of practicality, the Ciaz offers a massive 510-liter boot, which is among the best in its segment. Whether it's groceries, luggage for a road trip, or even bulkier items, you'll rarely find yourself short on space. One of the biggest selling points of the Suzuki Ciaz has always been its value for money. The 2025 model continues this trend, offering a feature-packed sedan at a price point that undercuts many of its rivals. While it may not be the flashiest or most powerful option, its combination of comfort, efficiency, and reliability makes it an excellent choice for practical buyers. So, is the 2025 Suzuki Ciaz worth considering? If you're in the market for a stylish, efficient, and family-friendly sedan, the Ciaz definitely deserves a spot on your list. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please take a moment to support our channel by hitting the subscribe button and tapping the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.